Hello friends, this is Sai Prakash. In the previous video, we have discussed about problems regarding parallel connection of resistance by using Ohm's law. In this video, I would like to explain about problems regarding parallel connection of resistance by using current division rule. So before this, please go through the previous video for the better understanding. Please follow the classes regularly and watch this video until the end of the session. It's been a long time since my last upload. Sorry for the delay friends. Please follow the classes regularly, watch this video until the end of the session. Friends, for this question, 3 resistors 4 ohm, 12 ohm and 6 ohm are connected in parallel if the total current taken is 12 amperes. Find the current through each resistor. Here they have given 3 resistors in parallel. So I am drawing the circuit diagram. This is resistor 1 of 4 ohms resistance and this is resistor 2 of 12 ohms and this is 6 ohm resistance. I am connecting these 3 in parallel. Here they have given the total current of 12 amperes instead of voltage source. So whenever they have given the total current, I told you go by the current division rule. So I am taking the current through I1 branch, that is 4 ohm resistance is of I1, and current through 12 ohm resistance, that is branch 2, so I am taking I2, and current through 6 ohm resistor, that is branch 3, so I am taking this as I3 current. Total current should be equivalent to I1 plus I2 plus I3. We have to find the current through each resistance, that is we have to find the I1, I2 and I3. So according to current division rule, we know current through branch one equivalent to total current into opposite branch resistance. That is, we have to find the current through branch 1. So opposite branch resistance is 12 ohm and 6 ohm connected in the parallel. So we have to take the R equivalent of 12 ohm and 6 ohm. That is R equivalent of 12 and 6 ohm divided by sum of resistances. So R equivalent of 12 and 6, they both are connected in parallel. So 12 into 6 by 12 plus 6 will be 18. 8 1 ja 3 ja 3 1 ja 4 ja. We have got R equivalent of 4 ohms. So I am redrawing the circuit right now. This is 4 ohm resistance and this is R equivalent of 12 and 6 ohms, that is 4 ohms. So here total current is of 12 amperes and this is branch 1 current remains same as I1 and this is of I2 plus I3. This is because we have taken 12 ohms and 6 ohms are equivalent. So I2 plus I3 will be flowing through 4 ohm resistor. Instead of I am taking 2 branches, I am taking 1 branch. So I2 plus I3 will be flowing through 4 ohm resistance. So I1 equal to total current of 12 amperes, 12 into opposite branch resistance of 4 ohm divided by sum of the resistance 4 plus 4, that is 8. 4 1 ja 2 ja 6 amperes. We have got I1 current through 4 ohm resistance is of 6 amperes. Friends, now I am finding branch current I2. So We know according to current division rule, I2 equal to total current I into opposite branch resistance. As I am finding I2 current, we have to take opposite branch resistance, that is R equivalent of 4 ohm and 6 ohm. So 4 ohm and 6 ohm in parallel divided by sum of the resistances. Sum of the resistances, that means 12 plus R equivalent of 4 and 6. I am finding R equivalent of 4 and 6. As they both are connected in parallel, R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. Therefore 4 into 6 by 4 plus 6. 6 4 ja 24 and 4 plus 6 is 10. So we have got 2.4 ohms. This is R equivalent of 4 and 6 in parallel. Total current we know 12 amperes. R equivalent of 4 and 6 is 2.4 divided by 12 plus R equivalent of 4 and 6 is of 2.4. So by solving this we will get I2 is of 2 amperes. And for finding I3 we know I3 equal to, by current division rule, total current I into opposite branch resistance. As I am finding current through I3, current through 6 ohm resistor, so we have to take R equivalent of 4 and 12. 4 and 12 in parallel, R equivalent divided by 6 ohms plus R equivalent of 4 and 12 in parallel. As 4 and 12 in parallel, R equivalent equal to 4 into 12 by 4 plus 12. 4 into 12 by 4 plus 12 equal to 16. 4 1 ja 4 4 ja 16. 4 1 ja 3 ja. Therefore, R equivalent of 4 and 12 we have got 3 ohms. We know total current is of 12 amperes into R equivalent of 4 and 12 is 3 amperes, 3 ohms divided by 6 plus 3. 12 into 3 by 6 plus 3 equal to 9. 3 1 ja 3 ja. 3 1 ja 4 ja. Therefore, we have got I3 equal to 4 amperes. I1 equal to 6 amperes and I2 is of 2 amperes and I3 is of 4 amperes. We have find the branch currents, that is I1, I2 and I3. This is Sai Prakash signing off. If you like the video, please do like, share and comment for the video. Click on bell icon for more updates and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubt regarding problems and regarding concept, please comment in the comment box or you can use the group link in the description. Thanks for watching the video, friends.